Okay, equation of a plane with a point and a line. So again, we have a point and a line. We'll get an idea of what that looks in 3 space here. So we have our parallelogram. And we have some line cutting through this. And then we have some point not on the line. So this is our point P, we'll call it. In our line, we have a directional vector. This is our directional vector, so we know, let's just assume it's going this way here. But we also have a point on that line. We'll call that point A in this case. Okay. Point A is at 1, 1, 1. And we know point P on the plane is at 1, negative 5, and 9. So we have one directional vector. That works out great. We already have one of them. What we need to do is essentially find another directional vector. Since we do have 2 points here, 1 point on the line, and this is where 2 lines also intersect. That was one of our requirements. We can make another vector, and we'll call it vector AP. So vector AP, well, we're going to need to find the directional vector for vector AP, where we do essentially point A subtract point B. So directional vector AP is our x2, which we're going to call point P. That will be our second, and A being our first. That becomes 1 subtract 1, negative 5 subtract 1, and 9 subtract 1. Our new directional vector for AP is at 0, negative 6, and 8. Okay? So I now have enough information to find the vector form of this plane. We have already one directional vector of the line itself. We have another directional vector, so that's 2 directional vectors which will form the plane, and we have some point on the line. So this line here, all we're really doing is adding a directional vector to the original line they've given us. The original line they gave us was vector R was equal to 1, 1, 1 as the point on the plane, plus directional vector negative 1, 1, and 0. And finally, just our second directional vector, which is what we found here, is T, 0, negative 6, and 8. That would be the vector form of the equation. Check. Parametric form. Very simple. We quickly change it. We set up our x values, okay? So we know we're going to have x, y, z is equal to 1, 1, 1 plus s minus 1, 1, 0 plus t, 0, negative 6, 8. That was so well done. Dealing with these, just going to highlight them quickly. Y deals with this 1, S again 1, and T negative 6. And finally Z deals with the number 1, S 0, T 8. So parametric form, X equals 1 minus S, that's it, the T is a 0. Y equals 1 plus S minus 6T. And Z equals 1, there's no S, plus 8T.